Hello and welcome to today's demo, where I will show you how AICA Studio can be used to monitor and control devices with different industrial communication protocols. So let's see what we have here. We have a robot using TCP/IP communication. Attached to the robot we have a gripper that listens to general purpose input-outputs from the robot control box. We have a second gripper using EtherCAT communication. We have here a Raspberry Pi Pico that communicates over serial and that has a couple of buttons and status lights. So all these devices are connected to our Edge PC, and AICA Studio can communicate with them with our components from our standard library. So let's get to the actual demo now. I have here my app on AICA Studio. It's already playing. So I have a bunch of different interactions that I can have with this demo. For example, clicking this button here will bring the robot to its home position. Then I can use my phone, which is connected over Bluetooth with the Pi Pico, and send different waypoints. For example, I can go to waypoint 1 or I can go to waypoint 2. You will see the flashing light here on the Pi Pico that says when the robot is moving and lighting up continuously when the robot arrives at its waypoint. And finally, I can also use trigger buttons directly from AICA Studio to start different sequences. For example, I have a sequence that will go and pick up the cube from the other gripper. I can start that from here, and the robot goes and picks up that piece of wood. The other gripper lets go. I can use Pi Pico again to go back to home. I can use my phone. I want to go to this waypoint. Wait! Wow, that was a bit close. I wanted to stop this actually. So I use the other trigger button, and accordingly this status light is now red because I stopped the robot. I will go back to home from here. So let me just drop off that piece of wood again. And what I wanted to tell you today and show you is that AICA System, and with it AICA Studio, is a versatile platform that is not limited to control of robots, but also lets you manage, monitor, and control signals and events coming from different devices with different communication protocols. And with that, anything is possible, really.